to hope that they will be the truly guided. They are the ones who will be truly guided. And how is the maintenance of the masajid? How is it that the masjid should be maintained? Is it just a physical aspect? Is it something that is only tangible? What are the characteristics of the people who should maintain the masajid of Allah? Allah mentions, after speaking about His nur, after speaking about the great light of Allah, Allah tells us where does this light shine on earth? Allah says, في بيوت أذن الله أن ترفع ويذكر فيها اسمه. That light that shines, it shines through the houses of worship, the masajid, that one Allah has ordered to be raised up. This means that they are physically built and they are physically raised up. And two, يذكر فيها اسمه, that His name is mentioned therein. This is the purpose of the masjid, and this is what maintenance of the masjid is. That it is maintained physically by being built and being raised, and it is maintained by regularly praying the salah. How does what Allah say? يُسَبِّحُ لَهُ فِيهَا بِالْغُدُوِّ وَالْآصَالِ. That Allah is glorified in these places morning and evening. Meaning that the people who are in there, they are not leaving the masjid and only coming for Friday. The people that are in there, they are not coming from Ramadan to Ramadan. They are not coming from Eid to Eid, but they are coming morning and evening, all of the salawat, trying to make sure that the masajid are maintained through the dhikr of Allah Jalla wa Ala. By who? Who are such people that maintain this masjid, both physically and spiritually? رِجَالٌ لَا تُلْهِيهِمْ تِجَارَةٌ وَلَا بَيْعٌ عَنْ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. By men who are not distracted by buying and selling. When the adhan is called, they are no longer distracted by the worldly means. They don't care about their business. They don't care about their studies. They don't care about anything except for iqam as-salah wa ita' az-zakah, except for establishing the prayer and paying the zakat. These are the real men. And this is why the masjid, it is the factory of men. It is the place where we produce men from. This is the place, the houses of Allah. Not these different gyms or whatever you have in these things. These mean nothing in comparison to the houses of Allah. This is where the hearts of men are formed. And Allah said about us and gave us an insight to the hearts of such men. يَخَافُونَ يَوْمًا تَتَقَلَّبُ فِيهِ الْقُلُوبُ وَالْأَبْصَارُ. That these men, they fear a day which the hearts and eyes will tremble. They fear that day of judgment, and they hold themselves accountable because of that fear. لِيَجْزِيَهُمُ اللَّهُ أَحْسَنَ مَا عَمِلُوا وَيَزِيدَهُم مِّن فَضْلِهِ. And they hope that Allah will reward them according to the best of deeds, because they hold themselves accountable, and that Allah will increase them out of His virtue and His grace. وَاللَّهُ يَرْزُقُ مَن يَشَاءُ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. So what is the role of the masajid